Choosing the perfect first date location can be a daunting task. You want to make a good impression while also having a memorable experience. Here are some ideas to spark your creativity. Classic choices. Dinner and a movie, a timeless option for a reason. Choose a restaurant that suits your taste and a movie that will spark conversation. Coffee or tea. A casual and low-pressure setting to get to know each other. Picnic in the park. Enjoy the outdoors and have a relaxed conversation. Creative ideas, museum or art gallery. Explore your shared interests and have thought-provoking discussions. Cooking class, learn a new skill together and enjoy a delicious meal. Arcade or bowling alley. Have some fun and let loose. Hiking or nature walk. Connect with nature and have a more active date. Escape room. Work together to solve puzzles and escape a themed room. Tips for choosing the perfect location. First, consider your interests and theirs. Choose a location that you both will enjoy. Think about the atmosphere. Do you want something casual or more formal? Be mindful of your budget. Choose a location that fits within your budget and be flexible. If something unexpected happens, be willing to adjust your plans. No matter what location you choose, the most important thing is to have fun and get to know each other. Remember, the best first date is one where you both feel comfortable and enjoy each other's company.